Hi folks, this video is to quickly go over how to turn on and use some of the new Zoom AI features. So what have we got here? Before I jump into that, I wanted to also say that I will be sharing this link in the notes below. One of the features that I haven't tried yet is to improve engagement with multi-speaker view. So I'm excited to try that out with new video layouts. I don't know if you've had that same problem before where you've had, do you just pin one person or do you do multiple people? So that can be really effective. All right, there's a lot of new features added to Zoom, so keep an eye out for new ones. Now let's scroll up and look at the features of the new AI assistant. Here's the overview for what to do with AI and Zoom. Just simply turn it on. Once the meeting is done, the host will get an email after the meeting with action points and summary items from the meeting, and also key takeaways. But in addition to that, one of the features that I also think is great is that when people jump in, the AI assistant can allow people who've come into the meeting and quickly get caught up, which is also really useful. So you can turn that on in the chat area. And finally, what I'm going to show is that also you can use AI content in the whiteboard. So let me first show how to turn the AI assistant on, then I'll show you how to use the AI whiteboard. So it's really just under settings. So you just go to your main Zoom area and go to settings, and then at the top, it should just be AI companion, and you just need to turn that on. But what I encourage you to do is to start out with just turning it on, and then the week or two after you've been using the AI companion, start looking at some of the sub features. So what I'm talking about is you can have additional access control if you only want a few people to have access with the AI based on your IP. You can also turn on different features with AI generated backgrounds or not. You can also, I like the idea of using the OCR. I use that a lot with AI. What is OCR? It's the optical character recognition. So if you put in an image, you can have the AI actually turn it into editable typography, which is pretty great. Okay, so let me turn on a Zoom and I'll show you the AI whiteboard because that's a great feature as well. And I'll also just show you the button. So now I've turned the AI on, and to activate, I have it set up so that it doesn't automatically turn on. And so just clicking this button will turn on the AI features that I have automatically enabled. Okay, and in addition, I think that the whiteboards, so if you don't have it on your screen, you can click on the More tab and then turn on whiteboards. So I'll full screen this. Now with the whiteboards, hitting N will open up notes, but it's infused in different areas, but I just will show this one feature. So if you right click and you can add a sticky note, what you can do is you can type in an idea, like I put in presentations ideas for educators, and then you can have the AI companion generate additional ideas based off of that initial idea. So we're kicking that in, and look at that, that's awesome. And that just creates an additional acceleration of the content that you might be doing while you're engaging in an AI meeting. I also highly recommend for in-person meetings, using Zoom with the recording turned on as just a note taker. So that's just another effective method. Okay, that'll wrap things up. Hope this video is useful. If you liked it, give it a like, and we'll see you in the next video.